Sells below. Alright, I like that. I want this 4-hour candle or any higher time frame candle to close below 163,700. Look at my 4-hour. Pretty much the same, right? Today our 4 hours are pretty much the same, yeah. Almost identical. 3 hours 36. What? How is our 4 hours the same today? Both our 4 hours are the same now. Very nice. Gold also, I think we're in this no trade range. Once we head out of this, it should be decent. I think it should be decent. I think today is gonna be a banger for us. Banger. Banger, banger. Check. Alright. Is my mic alright, lads? Let's see. Alright, what we're looking at is a very interesting morning in my opinion. Alrighty, let's do this. It's a beautiful Monday morning and we're all ready to crush it. So gold is looking interesting, GJ is looking very interesting. I think we just need a close and then we can kind of get an idea, but for me, as far as GJ is concerned, this is kind of like a supply zone for me. I'm gonna change this color. Yeah, that kind of looks nice. Alright, that's my supply zone that I'm looking at. So even if we do come back up there, it's just for a retest, for a minor retest most likely. So let's see, in 1.5 hours this candle is gonna close and we'll be able to find out more on where it wants to go. There's the 164 key psychological level down here. Very interesting. So we just need to see what's gonna happen on GJ. I think gold is also looking interesting. No phase B, why would I pay for a retry? Yeah, a retry if you end if you end a challenge in positive, then it's your right to retry, to have a free reset. Alright, so looking at gold from different angles, the daily candle has no top wick, which is very interesting. Tariq, what's your view on gold?
I will try to share it with you.
Yeah, also Tariq, share your trading window. Gypsy's also looking at gold right now. Zhao is on GD.
Yep, just some top-down analysis.
Yeah.
I think there will be a no topic day. What do you say?
Okay. Yeah, I think it's possible. But will this be a no topic week? Because that's a weekly candle.
Ooh. Today is the first day of the week, yeah. What a way to start.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, wait, let me remove all these markings. I think I need some more intricate time frames to get an idea. Alright, let's just look at this month. Okay, we should have had a few weekly candles. Okay, looking for a buy. Tarek, you're looking for a buy on gold?
Yes.
Ooh, this is the demand zone. 1740. I think we're coming down to 1740 before going back up to make a topic. What do you guys think? What do you think, Tarek? Gypsy?
On gold or GJDB?
Gold.
Sell on the 4-hour flip. What do you say?
1 second, let me just see.
Does look good, but
Yeah, this-
risks are high.
Yeah. 1 sec. Let's just see what this looks like.
It'll be the 1-hour flip also.
In 1750.
Yeah,
like
1755. I feel we'll get 1755, 700. I think there's potential rejection.
So let's see, slowly coming down the time frames. Yeah, 1740, 1750 is a demand area. $17.35. All right, interesting. So we got a few levels on EJ. Let's see Tarek. Okay, so Tarek, what you do is, can you make your screen bigger? Like now, I think it's in half your screen. Your chart. Yeah.
Better?
Yes, sir. All right, I see what you're looking for. Okay, yeah, maybe down here it'll look interesting, but let's see.
I might enter for the gold buys and let's see.
The only problem is I feel like gold has a little more downside to make that demand and then continue.
It already broke the previous high.
Hmm. Alright, let's see. Oh, phase B. What account were you in? Which phase were you in? And Hype Gaming, hello bro, good morning, bro. Ijaz, 2 4-hour candles closed where it could go, it looks gold will make the retest. Possible. That's what we're sitting and watching. This is one demand zone. So who knows, even GJ is looking very interesting right now. Andrew, how we doing, Andrew?
Morning, ladies.
Good morning. Alright, let's see. This is a very important point of contact, 1756. So that's why I'm being a little skeptical on gold, guys. As much as I want to buy it, alright, so look at this on gold. I don't think I want to be involved in this gold stuff right over here. There is a key level right over here, 161, 1761, 500. Alright, so GJ, this is gonna be my no trade range. That's gonna be my no trade range. Let's see what's gonna happen above this or below this. Very interesting day with the markets. I think the markets are gonna set up for the rest of the week, and especially like NAS 100 and everything would be coming back to previous supply to continue down. Interesting. So we have a supply zone on NAS 100 at 12,000 flat, key psychological level. And that zone kind of stretches till 12,200. So we need to see how these zones are gonna play out. And this week, NAS is gonna be our back testing pair. Hey Praise, what's good man? How are you doing? Phase 1, then it shouldn't be a problem if you're in phase 1. My funded effect should give you a retry. Yeah, what the cool boy said in the chat. Yo, Arcad, top of the day to you too, man. How are we doing? Alright, so we're looking at this. Very nice. I think there's a level inside here which could be used as a demand. Interesting. So we shall see how NAS reacts to this level. GJ, on the other hand, is breaking down now. So that would be the first breakout of this range. So let's see. If we get a retest, it should be pretty decent. What do you guys think about this? Break below 800 and retest of 800 to continue down. What do you think, Tariq? Pranav?
The breakout not yet strong, so I think it's better to wait.
It's just a 4 pip stop though. Very small one. I'm gonna take a small trade right over here. Depending on how this closes, of course. Alright. It's closing pretty strong, so I'm gonna take a small one. And my stops are gonna be right above this 1 minute consolidation. Because I'm expecting this breakout now. Let's see what happens. I've only gone in half risk class. So there's a potential to reject this bottom area, which hence I've taken a small risk and stops close by. I'm just giving it a shot because this is the first candle to break below these supports that we've created today in Asian session and post Asian session. So I'm just giving it the shot. So if it breaks these highs, I'll be out. It's just 5 per stops. So if it breaks those highs, I will be out. Because this could also be the retest before the continuation. The 8-minute also closed engulfing. This is nice, I like it. Should we increase the stops? Nah, just hold it right there. Hold it right there. If we get tapped out, no problem. Am I out? Alright, I've been stopped out of this. Let's see if I can get out. Trade in. So that looks more of a rejection from the support. Right over here. Do we have to wait for the 1 hour closure now? A lot of them are cat. A lot of them. Right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there you go. MKKM, what's good? November. GJ is back in the range. So what do you guys think of GJ on the higher time frames, daily and weekly? Continuation to the upside? Sorry, downside?
Yo, the bearish structure looks it does have a very strong bearish structure. I am expecting it to fall, but below is that 163,630. That's my level of where I'll sell from.
163,630. Alright.
630, 600, that region.
Okay, below this minor figure.
Yes.
Yeah, we need a close below this support. Let's see if we get one. It's down. Let's go. I think a lot of us are expecting it to continue down. What's the time? Okay, so this is 8 minutes to pre-London candle close. Let's see where this 30 closes. And is it an early candle close? Yep, it's an early candle close. That'll give us a better idea. What do you guys think about GJ making a double bottom right over here? If we're gonna keep rejecting this level, of course. Alright. Let's see gold. Did you take the gold trade, Tare?
No, not yet.
Not yet. You're waiting for it to come back into the zone?
Yeah.
Right. if we go above 1762, what do you think about gold? And retest 1762 break, retest, continuation. Alright, gold looking interesting. Let's see GJ, what's happening. Interesting. I'm gonna wait for GJ to close down here and then wait for a retest. Yeah, let's wait for GJ to close. Nice and strong. Over here, we're still active on the challenge. Awesome. To and from prop firms. Crypto is widely used, but I don't know why. Can you explain? Crypto is the easiest way to transfer money from prop firms, right? Even brokerages, crypto is the most easiest way to transfer money. Take it to your wallets and send it to your bank account, plain and simple. Alright, so GJ has 2 minutes left to close. Gold is also about to close, let's see. How was your weekend, Tarek?
It was okay. Not bad. I'm still sick, but yeah. Take some meds. I am.
by GJ. GJ closed back in the range. I think GJ could have the potential to continue up. What do you guys think? GJ retest off of 800. Let's see, what else are we looking for? Yeah, USDT and USDC is what 90% of all traders who take their crypto payments use. Some of them take their payments also in BTC and then convert it to USDT. But I think USDT is like the new standard, right? If I'm not mistaken. It's like a standard that people are now using. Alright, let's see. Come on, GJ, come back down. The Ali closed with a big rejection from the downside. No, the 2 Ali has 58 minutes left, 3 hours. So I think after this next major close, we're gonna get a better idea. Because that'll close the 5 hour and the 10 hour also. But when these things happen, like when there are high time frame candles closing side by side, that's often a good sign. That often shows you that something's about to happen. Yeah, that often is a sign that something is about to happen. Alright, is there any other interesting pairs that we could look at? Do you guys see the potential for gold to actually go up? I think Tariq is the only one who's attempting buys right now, right?
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
Yo, DJ, what's good? Michael, what's good? US30. Go and break even so far. Same for NAS. Yeah, NAS 100 also, I'm watching it. Let's see what happens. Ooh, GJ is breaking. Let's see if this 15 can close down. Alright, waiting for a 15-minute closure. Gold looks like it's dropping. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. DJ looks decent for 50 plus pips. Yeah, Arcas, that's what I'm looking for too. We just need the breakout. Because if we continue rejecting this area, it's gonna be a very difficult zone to trade in. I think we got this. As long as we are able to find, the right place to buy, it should be good. Looking at GJ.
Just hear me out, okay? You see this downtrend, yeah?
Yeah.
This just crossed my mind. So what I'm expecting is the current candle to flip and just catch it all the way down till the last support.
Bottom.
Yeah, because that's what's been happening for a while now.
Yeah. The only problem is it's in this range, just bouncing up and down.
Yeah, that's why I'm not going ahead with it. But yeah, it's interesting. Just a thought to cross. I'm getting tempted to do that, but
That
yeah.
lower time frame downtrend, right?
Yes, but I've been tempted before, and it doesn't work out.
Yeah.
Might as well just paper trade it. We'll see what happens. Stops here.
See, the thing is, when you look at it from this aspect.
1 second, I'm not looking at yours. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, when you look at it from this aspect, it kind of makes sense, okay? Because this is like the level.
Okay.
But then as you continue going lower and lower, you kind of see that it makes more sense. Right?
Oh my gosh, yes.
But the problem is, it's in this red range which doesn't make sense,
Agreed.
Otherwise, yeah, I would be tempted to.
Just see how it plays out.
This previous 2-hour candle on gold closed bearish and engulfing, which is very interesting. We'll have to see how this next candle closes. And for GJ, we don't have much of a direction, so I think once this candle closes, we'll have a better idea.
candle? 45 minutes? Which candle are you
So
anticipating?
the 40, once the 45 closes, that will be, oh no, the 2 hour has another 45 minutes left. So the hourly candle.
Okay.
If this hourly candle closes above this range, then we kind of know what
So that's another 45 minutes away.
potentially, yeah.
Nice. Looking at higher time frame, the TJ looks like it's rejecting and going up, so I don't think
Yeah,
sells would have ever worked out there.
that's what, I'm contemplating right now. Because when you look at this could just be a rejection to go back up. One week.
There you go. Broke all previous highs. Lower time frame though.
Yeah. Interesting. Let's see what's gonna happen now. I think we could fill that clean traffic to the left and fly up for a bit also on the early time frame. A road where 0.3% up because we got a reset. So we're about 3 days into the reset. Haven't done much, plus the weekends around 5 days. So we're about 0.3% up, let's see. We're $300 up, yeah. You see how 30 is trying to push up? Let's see how
Yep.
the 30 closes.
30-minute engulfing. What do you say?
So for me, that's not a problem. For me, on the lower time frame, you're trying to find the best demand, like the best place to buy it off of,
Okay.
So you search for like a really nice, strong support. And then we start looking at the lower time frame and start looking for potential entries once we close above this level. Alright, Pura just flipped. Two hours going bullish. 45-minute has broken the previous high. 30-minute is trying to break out of this zone. So let's see it close. Tarek, have you taken anything yet? And Zhao?
Morning.
Good morning, yes. How are we doing?
Good, and how are you?
All good so far. Are you in any trades, yes?
No, I'm just, come on now, just having a look, see what's happening.
Hmm.
How about you?
Not yet in a trade.
Just
But
looking at XUI.
yeah, for me, GJ is trying to tempt us into a trade. Let's see. Alright, let's see how these candles close. Has anyone in the YouTube chat taken the trade? Power cuts, okay. DC, you need to come over to the dark side and swing trade it. Yeah, Error, we're slowly gonna start swinging it. Let's see. Alright, come on, GJ. I only scalp gold when there's a clean move. Alrighty. Scotty's in the building. How are we doing today, Scotty?
Morning, guys.
Mine's got you.
Alright, so Yas, which bears are you looking at this morning?
I'm just looking at Dixie at the moment, see what it's trying to do to get an idea of the rest of the market. And then I'm going to look at
Yeah.
the pound and then the yen and then just go from there. Just looking at more, just seeing, trying to figure out.
Yeah. For me, this is my key area on gold. Because I'm watching it bounce around from here. And I really want to see if we will get to close above this level, which will then enable us to see what's gonna pop off on gold. So GJ hasn't broken up, nor has it stayed below. It's just right at the point of interest. So we're not closing above 15-minute, no bottom wick. This is what GJ does. Alright, so even this candle didn't close above, so now we're just waiting for the 15-minute close. DC, from watching it, it's not quite clear what we're looking for today. Do you have any idea? Alright, so RCats, this is, yeah. Okay, wait, let's just clear it up and let's see what we can expect today, okay? I'm just gonna quickly break down GJ yet again. Okay? So, from a really higher time frame perspective, we have this massive bull trend, right, on GJ. The previous month we had two rejections from September and then October with a nice big bullish move. So right now on GJ, this could potentially be the bottom wick, right? Since we have this kind of bullish momentum that is going up. So then as I slowly come down the time frames, we see that GJ has been rejecting this level for a very long time. Right, which makes this a pivotal place for GJ to play around, because when we look at it, 160, look at this, right? Do you guys see what I mean? So 168 kind of 500, let's say, to around 167, let's say, is massively important for GJ. And then you have this other minor level down here. So as we continue going down the time frames, we go to the weekly time frame, we see that this is a very important level on GJ, because this is where we had the previous bounce off, right? So we're just breaking it down, right? So now on the weekly time frame, what has happened, we've rejected these highs and we're coming down slowly. So we have this clean traffic towards the left coming down all the way to the support at 161 flat to, let's say, 16500. Alright, so that's about a 50 pip range we slowly come down the time frames daily. Let's see if there's any obstruction in this area. So I'm mainly looking for a support, which I'm not able to find just yet. On the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this is the only obstruction I see. 163,200. So for me, this is the only level at which we could see trouble. Otherwise, I do not see trouble on GJ going down. Because look at this, we have clean traffic coming all the way down, right? Do you guys see that? So as we come down the hourly time frames, you see that this is a key demand zone. So let me just mark this as a demand zone, because you can see it's a demand which turned supply, which turned demand, which was supply, and finally used as a demand previously, which we have tapped into right now, right? So while we look at this, we need to find what are the levels which we need to break in order to go up, right? So firstly, we want to see a change in the patterns right over here, of course, which we're gonna see right now. All right, so let's see this. All right, so coming down from the daily time frame, we're moving down, so we kind of want to see some rejections and a daily candle close bullish, of course. And secondly, let's see, we have this resistance which is holding strong, which is the previous supply zone. Very interesting. Interesting. So that's a previous supply zone and also a demand zone. So this 500 level is very important. So it's important to have a game plan, right? So that's why we're looking at this zone as a very important one. All right. So all right. So GJ is looking very good. Okay. Wait, let me just bring these in. So now we want something to important to happen, but that can only happen at our key areas, right? So we see prices nowhere near our key areas of buying and selling, especially from a higher time frame perspective. So we have nothing to do with it in these areas. For me, I only want to sell GJ from this area potentially if we get a sell. So this, I'm gonna mark it as my supply zone. Right, that's the only area I want to sell GJ from, to be honest. And if we're gonna reject, we have this 800 area which I am looking for a plan from. So guys, do we concur with that? Do you guys see my complete breakdown and why I'm looking for what I'm looking for? Arcats, did that kind of clear what we're looking up for? Right, so that's my entire breakdown on GJ. So the only way I'd be able to change this is if price breaks above this 164,500 level, retests 164,500 to continue up. That's the only time I would probably change my bias to buys. Until then, I'm a seller. All right. I guess you're looking for sells below the demand zone, or so I'm looking for sells from this zone to RCATs. So that's my supply zone. All right. So I'm looking for sells. So as long as we remain under this, right? I'm looking for sells. As long as we remain under this, I'm looking for sells. We'd have to create a new market structure for me to look for buys. You see right now, because what I'm looking at over here is a very direct representation of market structure. So unless market structure changes over here, I'm not looking for buys yet. Alright, do you guys see what I'm looking for? Does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? We got 50 of you guys in the chat. Smash that like button, comment, let us know where you guys tuning in from. Happy to have each and every one of you here. Alright, and so Tariq, are you in buys now?
No, I
No?
missed the first entry with 2 pips around, but I didn't re-enter.
Awesome. So what's your criteria to re-enter now?
No, not yet, until retracement happens.
Okay, fair enough. So I think, wait, let me do a breakdown the same way I did for GJ on gold. Why did you not just sell at the 30-minute around the trend line with the stop above the high? Alright, let's see. GJ. Because we haven't tapped the trend line just yet, right? So let's see, if we reject it nice and well, RCATs we could potentially see some sells. Let's see. If you're talking about this, I wasn't here at that time. That was 4:30 in the morning for me. If you're talking about this. That was 4 a.m. for me. So yeah. So now if we create a similar pattern over here now at the trend line, then yeah. Let's see. Okay, so let's break down gold the same way and see what's gonna happen to gold. Okay, wait, let me just add one more. Alright, fantastic. you, Arcats. No problem, man. I like that you ask it, Arcats, because that pushes me also to do it. But yeah, let's see. Gold has this zone from 1750, which is a key demand zone, as seen previously, right? This key demand zone. Which is very interesting. We have to see how this is gonna pan out. It's proving to be a key demand zone in every aspect possible, but this week gold has already tapped into 1760, 1750. I think this is a 100 pip range which I've drawn. Yeah, that's a 100 pip range which I've drawn. So we started off the week with no top wick. I think for gold, I'm gonna need more than just a break of structure to buy into it. Like to start looking at the counter. Right, so alright, the 5-hour candle is gonna close in about 15 minutes. Let's see what's gonna pop off. Alright, so gold, we're at these highs. We could easily come and retest 1800. I think 1800 key psychological level will be the pop off too before we drop. Like potential, we're talking about different potentials, right? So I'm only gonna sell gold below this if we break this trend line and then retest it. That's the only way I'm selling gold. This is the support. So let's see on the lower time frame what it looks like. Alright, so that's the range we're dealing with. Let's see on the 1 minute time frame, it's pretty much the same. Very nice. Okay. I think gold could be a potential buy off this level. Let's see. Gold could be a potential buy off that level. Kenny, what's good, Kenny? Trader Kenny. GJ is back to messing around in that range. So we're about to find out what GJ is worth in a minute. Alright, 15-minute closed bullish, basically breaking this resistance. Right, so let's see, 30-minute, did the 30-minute close? Not yet. So we're gonna wait for the 30 to close. That would be a 10 pip stop at break even if you were to take this trade. So the range to the upside is very small on this trade, so I'm not gonna take the risk. It's a little bit of a risky one. For those who wanna risk it, that's up to you. All right. Mm-mm. Let's see what gold is gonna do. GJ moved up. Continuing to move up. Let's see, will we break this? And you would got about 8. Alright, Banger Squad. Scotty, Samita, Yas, Pranav.
Yo.
Yo, what are we looking at? Zhao? Let's Pranav. It's above your zone right now.
Yep.
When I pin, does it get pinned for y'all too?
In the meets?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't get pinned for us. You have to pin separately.
Oh, y'all have to pin individually then, eh? Okay.
One hour closes in 10 minutes. No confirmation we'll have.
Yeah, that is the most important thing, especially for the 5 hour and 10 hours also gonna close. You know,
But with the 1 hour closing so strong bullish and London Open being at the same time, do you think we'll get good buys?
I have a feeling, but again, buys we're kind of going counter trend because it hasn't
Yeah.
broken the structure just yet. wait and see what this next candle is gonna do. It's a Monday, you know, so we're really not looking to force anything. Yo, Jean FX trading, what's good, man? How you doing? The GJ's coming back now. It's interesting. We're all good, man, John. Ernest. Gold also ranging. If this candle before it closes doesn't just absolutely pop off and go up, it's going to be very hard to determine GJ today. Let's see our cash. We have to see that market structure respected, right? And so we have to see what price is gonna do right over here. Because can you see this is a zone also of rejection. So let's see. If we get rejections from this area, then definitely we'll look at giving it a sell shot. So yeah, let's wait for the market structure at this level, okay. Oh, so okay, I guess I kind of have an idea. So you're looking to have your stop loss above the 30 minutes structure. Above here? That's 50 pips, man. There's 5 minutes left in this candle, so we could potentially break up. Let's see. Yeah, so let's wait to see some rejections, okay. Let's wait to see some rejections of the key level. Even off at this level, if we see some rejections, well and good. Come on, GJ. Either push and break our supply zone. Or go further up and reject our supply zone. Tarek, did you buy gold yet?
No, not yet.
Alright. I'm actually considering buying gold if we break above 162 and reject it.
160. Oh, okay.
So we're breaking out of this bottom range, moving up, rejecting, and looking for continuation.
I'm considering buying it right now, where I'm having my second entry, but it's
Yeah.
gonna be risky. So I'm just gonna buy, and whatever happens, happens. You know.
Maybe you could also buy at 116. So I mean 1660 flat. Oh yes, GJ's pushing up. Let's go. All right. All right. 1.5 minutes left. You guys see what I'm seeing? Right? We're looking like we could have a trend line breakout. Plus, we got a double bottom over here. And what do we have? We also have a breakout of this lower bottom range.
I'm a bit tilted, man. I was gonna buy GU at 1.176, but my MetaTrader 4 has been crashing this morning.
Oh man.
Such an old program, isn't it, man? I have to restart my computer. I'll be back in 2 minutes, man.
Definitely. Also, yeah, download the newer version of MT4.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Be back in 2 minutes, man.
Done. Alright, so now we know this is gonna close bullish. So now we kind of need to get our ideas together, right? So now let's search for demand zones close by. In order for this next candle to create a bottom wick and continue, we now need to search for demand zones close by. Because for me now the 5 minute is closed like that. The 5 hour and the 10 hour have closed bullish, right? So that's what I'm gonna be looking for now. So look at that, right? Those closed bullish. So let's see, where can we possibly find a little bit of a demand zone? Okay. Alright, let's see it pull back. That's a bullish engulfing 5-hour candle, so that's a very nice candle to buy off of. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna extend my screen the entirety of my monitor. I just need that extra. 5-hour candle with no bottom wick. Top wick, I mean. Aren't there any demand zones? That's the first one I can find. Is this key? Yeah, this is the key level 164.
Will you be entering on the flip?
The flip looks decent. I'm just looking at.
No top wick, remember.
Yeah. $17 pip stop loss. We have now broken out and into this next range, so I don't know if we need to see something more clearer. So I think I'm gonna wait for something like this to happen, right? From the zone. So I think we need more of a break and then retest and continuation. Now we put this back. Oh, gold also closed above. Gold kind of makes sense right now. Are you guys buying?
I'm gonna stay out because I know I'll start getting
Damn,
tilted.
So the 1 minute kind of has broken out of this 1 minute range. We need to see whether it can retest and continue on gold. Alright, GJ pretty good. Come back down. Yeah, this is the point at which I'd like to buy, but I wanted to retest this nicely. Come down in a 400, retest it nice and strong, and then start climbing.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea to let it pull back a bit.
Yeah. The problem with GJ is now once it starts breaking, it doesn't stop. That's the problem.
Hold on.
I mean, 17 pips really won't be a problem of the stop, because that's a low. Let's see. I think, okay, if GJ's this next 6-minute candle closes the engulfing, I think then I'd slowly start looking at it. Gold looks good to continue.
Yeah, it's looking strong, isn't it? The pound wants to continue long as well.
Yeah. Let's see how this next one handles.
Going.
This looks disgusting and it looks like it's gonna go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a small position, guys, right over here. Never mind, it's gone.
Sometimes you just gotta let it go.
Yeah.
Don't chase. Yeah, it was making a flag, 5 minute bull flag, 2 to 5 minute, and just going, not waiting. Pound was, yeah.
Gold is breaking everything and flying.
Yeah, it's dollar that's dropping, that's why everything's flying. But to be honest, I'm happy because over the weekend I was telling myself I want to miss some trades and get in the habit of letting them go. Building that discipline.
Yeah.
It's what I wanted, to be honest, but it sucks, man.
Nathan the storyteller was good, man. Alright. Man, that would have been 15 per boom in 2 minutes. Banger Squad, are you guys in any trades?
No,
No.
not right now.
Cody, you haven't taken anything just yet?
I just took a paper trade on gold.
Gold's right at those highs.
I'm in on GJ.
Are you
On the
in
flip.
a buy?
On the flip, yeah.
Or off the one now?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're pretty much at break even right now. 20 pips.
Yeah.
Zhao, are you in any trades? So let's see what Zhao is looking at. Gypsy. Alright. Yeah, that's kind of annoying, isn't it? Let's see, gold, what are we gonna do? Is it gonna fly? Let's see if gold breaks above this level. And then shows us something like this. So London Open is done, right? Yep, London Open is done. There will be a pullback for sure. Nothing goes vertically, so yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a session on YouTube. The trading floor, DC trading floor will stay open. So guys on YouTube, see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. You guys know the vibe. Don't over risk, don't over trade. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hype Gaming, message me on Discord. you